The concept of a production function is fundamental in understanding how businesses operate and how resources are utilized in the production process. At its core, a production function describes the relationship between the inputs used in production and the resulting output. It captures the essence of how various resources, such as labor, capital, land, and raw materials, are transformed into goods or services. A production function can be represented mathematically, typically as Q equals F, L, K, where Q denotes the quantity of output, L symbolizes labor input, and K represents capital input. This formula illustrates how different combinations of labor and capital can lead to varying levels of output, helping firms identify the most efficient production methods. The shape of the production function is crucial. It is often depicted as a curve that reflects the law of diminishing returns. Initially, as more units of a particular input are added, the output increases at an increasing rate. However, beyond a certain point, adding more of that input results in smaller increments of output. This phenomenon is essential for firms to consider when planning their production strategies. Understanding the production function allows businesses to optimize their resource allocation and maximize efficiency. For instance, if a factory notices that adding more workers leads to minimal increases in output after a certain threshold, it may reassess its labor needs and seek alternative means of production improvement. Additionally, the production function can vary significantly between industries. In technology, for example, capital might play a more prominent role, with investments in machinery and technology leading to substantial output increases. Conversely, in agriculture, the interplay of land and labor may be more critical, as crop yields depend heavily on environmental conditions and farming practices. Economic theories also utilize the production function to analyze productivity and economic growth. By examining how different inputs contribute to output, economists can infer trends and provide insights into economic performance over time. In conclusion, the production function is an essential tool for businesses and economists alike, providing a structured way to analyze the efficiency of resource use in creating products and services. By understanding this relationship, firms can make informed decisions about scaling production, investing in technology, or modifying their workforce, ultimately leading to enhanced operational effectiveness and greater competitiveness in the market.